What's up, welcome to part 29th of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone. So we are working on ludo dice app. So now we have made some images, we have added some XML file. Now we have to move forward from that to Java file. So right now let's go and build some Java to that. So it is going to be very short video, not a lengthy one. So we have to go and move forward for button. So as you know that I just told you that whatever the strings you have to keep every string inside the string of that one. So we will go and move forward to that, and now we are going to put a string to that str string. We have a button, so we'll keep the name as role button, and now we close it and keep the name role button. Right, so this is the name of the ID which we are going to go and put a role button to that. Now we have to move to XML file, and now we will keep the text ID to be role button. After that we added the role button to that. We have to go and move to adding like left dice and right dice. So these are the two images, so we will keep the ID to that will be left because this is the left dice, so left left dice left dice. Now we will put a right dice to that, right right dice right dice. So after we have added, so there you see there was a warning because we have not added any Java code to that. So we'll move forward from that and start making some Java code to that. Alright, so I have to declare, for example, right now I have to declare that button is declared as role button. I'll close that one, and now we have to go and put a role button, so action. So role button will be, so I just realized while tapping that role doesn't have double O's, it has double L to that, so double L, right? So it's a button 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 should be capital B. Now we have to put a find view by ID to that find, so I'll type find view by ID. So there's true L to that. So I just curious that did I put I right? So inside the button I typed ROLL, and inside string as well I put 2LL, but what happens to me in Java code? I don't know. So is equal to find view by ID, find view by ID, R will be resource dot ID, ID name is role button, and then close this one. So before the update of the Android Studio we have to put like it's a button, so I have to say that it is a button which we are declaring on. So after we have added button to that, we have two other images as well. So we have image view, so I am a image view, will have image view, we are using left dice dice is equal to image view, will have find view by ID, and it's a left image, left dice dice left dice, and then close this one. I forgot to put r.id right, so now I'm being a lazy enough, so I just copy this one and paste it down below, replace it with right dice, right ght right dice right dice, and this is going to be right dice. So that's about it for this video. Now we'll look forward to create some more of the Java code and see you guys in the next one.